In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask image in Canva. If you've ever tried to fit a photo neatly into a custom shape and ended up fighting with awkward cropping or messy edits, Canva makes this much easier than you might expect. Instead of manually cutting out parts of an image, you can use frames to place your photo inside a shape and adjust it cleanly in just a few clicks. Let's walk through the full process together. To begin, open Canva and load the design you want to work on. From your home screen, go to your recent projects and open the presentation, document, social post, or any other design where you want to add the masked image. Once the project opens, click on the main canvas area so your workspace is active and ready. Next, go to the left sidebar and click on Elements. This is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, and the masking tools we need. Inside the Elements panel, scroll until you find the Frames section, then click See All. Frames are the key here because they let your image automatically take the shape of whatever frame you choose. Now browse through the available frame options. You'll see simple shapes like circles and squares along with more creative styles such as abstract forms, letters, and textured edges. Click on the frame you want to use and Canva will place it directly onto your canvas. You can then resize or reposition it as needed before adding your image. Once your frame is in place, head back to the left sidebar and click Uploads if you want to use your own image, or Photos if you want to choose a stock image from Canva's library. Find the image you want, then click and drag it over the frame on your canvas. When you hover over the frame, Canva will highlight it, and as soon as you release the mouse, the image will snap neatly inside it. After that, you can fine-tune how the image appears within the frame. Double-click the masked image to enter crop mode. From here, drag the image to reposition it so the most important part is visible, and use the corner handles if you want to zoom in or out slightly. When it looks right, click Done in the top toolbar. You can also move the entire masked element around the canvas and use Canva's alignment guides to center it perfectly. Finally, take a moment to check the overall placement and spacing in your design. Then go to the top right and click Share, followed by Download. Choose PNG as your file type, and if you want the area outside the masked shape to stay invisible, enable transparent background. Then click Download to save your finished masked image. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.